What's up, guys? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Hey, if you have not checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Peruse around this page and check us out. All right, we're back. We are talking about GotBackup Pro. Okay, a new program that's been added. Okay, to the GotBackup suite, if you will. All right, if you haven't checked it out, go here, guys, and click this image. The fastest growing home-based business that you can get started in for less than $10. And it's not just any old product. It's something that everybody actually needs, okay? Everybody should be backing up their smartphones and their computers, right? With all your digital assets, your pictures, your videos, these are all your precious memories. If they're gone, once they're gone, right? So I've learned my lesson on that, and that's how I end up getting iCloud with my iPhone some years ago, because my phone crashed and it never came back on. All right, so I lost everything. So this is a product that everybody needs, and everybody's walking around with a smartphone. All right, so now we want to talk about the GotBackup Pro. That's a new addition. All right, so let's get over here and talk about that. So we know GotBackup is a cloud-based cloud storage service, again, that everybody needs to back up their digital assets on their phones and computers. So they offer this family plan, right? That's how I got started, for $9.97 a month, right? You get 6 terabytes, because with iCloud, okay, which is what I had because I got the iPhone. iCloud is $9.99 a month for 2 terabytes, one account, and I can only use it on my Apple product, right? If I have other devices, that's where GotBackup comes into play, okay? A better value, if you will. So GotBackup service is only $9.97 for 6 terabytes and 6 accounts. So you can set up 6 accounts for 6 different people, okay? For $9.97 a month, guys. Unbelievable. Now, you could also pay this up front. If you don't want to pay it every month, you can just pay $99.97 for the whole year, and you're paid up. And they're giving you 2 months free. But not only are you getting a service, right, to back up your devices, but they also have a resale option in here for those of us that like to share the opportunity with others, the service with others, right, just by sharing it and telling somebody else. And they decide, hey, you know what, I could use that $9.97 a month membership. That will earn you $20, guys. Every time somebody purchases this $9.97 a month, you earn $20 for each person. Like if you signed up 5 people right now and they purchased the $9.97, you're going to earn $20 for each one of those folks. If they decide they want to pay the $99.97, you earn $49. That's the better value. All right. So that's the regular family plan, right? But they recently have added what they call GotBackup Pro. That's what you're looking at right here in the middle, this blue one, GotBackup Pro. And I went ahead and upgraded as soon as I saw the webinar last week from Joel and his wife. It made sense. It was a no-brainer. So for $10 more, right, if you're already paying $9.97 a month, for $10 more, you can become a pro. This is for a limited time. All right, limited time to upgrade to get this. After that, everybody's going to be paying $499.97 to get this thing, plus $19.97 a month. All right, so I immediately went ahead and upgraded. And so, of course, you still have your family plan, right here. It shows the same thing that's to the left, but they've added all these other wonderful, valuable tools. So they have added the marketing tools, 25 high-quality leads to get your business going fast, a completely done-for-you bulk email marketing system to follow up with your leads. Done for you professional email ad copy campaigns to follow up with leads. Done for you funnels and professional design. Done for you post and content creation for all your social media. A complete funnel builder to create your own funnels if you want to. This is perfect for affiliate marketers, network marketers, folks that's out here actually promoting a product, right? Like myself. So these tools is going to help you generate leads, guys. All right. So this is perfect for my affiliate marketers, network marketers. Guess what? It doesn't stop there. Guess what else this $4.99 GotBackup Pro offers? These tools right here that we actually can resell and earn extra commissions. All right, here they are. Testimonial generator. That's one. VidUber. That's two. I had never heard of VidUber. Number 3, MemoryPlace. Number 4, email marketing platform. And number 5, funnel page builder. So that's 5 extra lead generating tools that this package is going to include. Not to mention an exclusive support and training. There's going to be a dedicated webinar with you and the owner every 2 weeks. All right. So this whole package is $499.97 one time, or $19.97 a month. Or for the year, you can pay $199.70. Get 2 months free. All right. But for me, it was just a no-brainer because I am a digital marketer, and any tools that I can acquire to help me get more leads and I can give away for free where people can at least try them out, right? Try them out. If they like them, they can upgrade. All right. So perfect for my digital marketers out here. So what I've been doing, and I just started doing yesterday, I came out and I showed you the VidUber tool and how you can benefit from that and info on that. So today we're going to go over MemoryPlace, capture sales and leads from massive events. So we're going to get into that. So let's talk about that. Let's go. All right. So MemoryPlace, capture all the photos and videos that your guests take at your events in real time, just with one click. See MemoryPlace in action. Put your email in. We actually have a whole capture page funnel for this, right? It's like having hundreds of video photographers working for you. All right. So let's see how this works. So if you want to check this out again, you want to come over here, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, click here, get signed up. All right. But you got to have the pro. All right. You got to have the pro to get this, but I can let you check it out for free. How about that? All right, so let's go over here. Let's check it out. Let's go.
Every special event is a priceless memory in the making. And now, with MemoryPlace, you can be sure you will never miss those special moments. Collect all your events photos and videos that you and your guests capture in real time. All your event content is then automatically uploaded into your own private gallery to view, edit, and share. Sharing your photos with family and friends has never been easier with MemoryPlace.
Wow, that's an awesome idea. But how could I possibly do it in real time with this many people?
Simple. There are a couple easy ways to share your event gallery with all your guests. Your MemoryPlace can either generate a direct link prior to your special event that you can share via email, text message, or your social media event page. Or your MemoryPlace can generate a unique QR code that your guests can scan at your event. Once your guests receive your direct link or scan your QR code, they will be able to instantly send you photos and videos that they captured during your event, all in real time.
Wait, so you're telling me everybody at my event can share their photos and videos with me in real time?
Yes, that is exactly what we are saying.
That's a great idea. I have a big family reunion coming up. Would my grandparents know how to use my MemoryPlace?
Absolutely. No technical knowledge of any kind is required to use your MemoryPlace. Just acquire your unique event code and you're done. All photos and videos taken will fall immediately into your MemoryPlace account. The possibilities are endless. Use MemoryPlace at your next barbecue, wedding, or bachelor party. Or maybe not, but you get the idea. With MemoryPlace, you'll be able to store all your special memories all in one password-protected archive. Unlike social media platforms, your MemoryPlace will not compress your photos or videos, so you have the ability to print out any particular special memory of your choice. So what are you waiting for? Create your free MemoryPlace account today.
That is awesome, guys. That is really awesome. So imagine going to whatever the event is, a party, right? You know, everybody's got their phones. So everybody's taking different pictures. So imagine being able to get all of those folks, their pictures, right? And and take theirs and put them into a file. That would be awesome. Okay, so this is a great tool. I really like this. This is really cool. So they're telling you how it works. So photos and videos taken by your guests will fall immediately into your MemoryPlace account, and it's private with one click. Create all your events and venues and celebration. I think this is amazing. Everybody could use this. We all have gone to parties, weddings, whatever, and we're taking pictures. This is perfect. Capture all your memories, past and current. It's mesmerizing, remembering, and cherishing all the moments of life. This is awesome. Capture global and breaking news events. And you can create a free account. Photo and video receiving options. So you could create that QR code like they showed in the video. Say it's a family reunion, and you can name it XYZ family reunion. Put that QR code up on a poster or something, or on each table, and tell folks to scan it. That's going to give you a lead. They're going to put their email in, right? And then they can add their pictures in there. That's amazing. So receive photos and videos in a snap. QR code recommended for local and personal events. Choose your QR code template found in your account. Print and display your QR code template at your event. Everybody knows about those type of things. Restaurants, everybody has QR codes now. So it's simple. Okay, it's not complicated. So you print that out. Once your guests scan the QR code, they will be able to send you photos and videos that they take at that event in real time. Wow. All photos and videos will fall immediately into your MemoryPlace account. Send and receive direct link. Or you could do this. Send your direct link found in your account to your guests or audience via email and text, or post it on social media. Once your guests or audience receive your direct link, they will be able to send you photos and videos that they take at and during that event or global event in real time. All photos and videos taken will fall in your account. That's amazing. So leverage the facts. Every event, venue, or celebration costs money. We know that. Wouldn't it be nice to capture as much of those memories as possible? I'm just thinking of the magnitude of that, because you yourself is just there taking your pictures, but there's 50 other people or 100 other people taking their pictures, and you being able to get those pictures is just awesome. So they're saying 7.2 billion people own a cell phone. Wow. 85% of people at an event will take photos, that's facts, and videos on their phones. That's just what we do. 90% of the people have only ever taken photos and videos on a camera phone. 95% of event hosts wish they could capture more memories through photos and videos. 85% of people agreed that it's frustrating tracking people, photos, and videos down from an event. That's true, because we all get together and say, oh, well, I took this picture, you took that picture. Now, just gather them all from everybody. Capture all the memories, past, current, or in real time, for an amazing time capsule of a life. Instantly share your photos and videos received to your social media platform. This is an awesome tool. I'm going to put the link below. Of course, I'm going to put the link below if you want to go ahead and upgrade to the GotBackup Pro so that you can get this tool, okay, yourself, as one of the 5 tools that they're giving us for being in this program. But I'll just put the link just for this so you can just actually check it out, guys. I think it'll be great. You check it out for free, okay? So I'm going to put it below, but wanted to show you that. Now let's move on. I want to show you something else here. Now, again, how is this going to benefit? And that's what we're talking about. That how is this going to benefit us as a digital marketer, affiliate marketer, network marketer, right? Because we are marketers, right? We have the funnel for this. There's banners the company has put together for the MemoryPlace. Okay, so look at all these banners we can use and post them to different websites, guys. And when folks click that, it's coded to you. That becomes a lead, and they decide they want to get this program, right? They put in their email, and boom, you've got a lead. Or they decide, hey, you know what? I want to just upgrade and get this thing, and you earn commissions from this. Because if we go back over here, remember we talked about one of the resellable tools. There's 5. We did Uber yesterday. Now we're talking MemoryPlace. This is a $300 a year program that you're getting here. So there's nothing like it on the market. Okay? Nothing like it on the market. Collect hundreds of leads from one event, because you're getting everybody's email. Because people are going to put the right email in because they want, right? They're going to put in the right email. They're going to want to be a part of this. Collect event photos and videos from any event, shareable and emotional. Free giveaway. It attracts hundreds of leads from one event. Free accounts. Build your email list and database, because you're collecting those leads, right? Yeah, all the marketers know out there how important it is to build your lists. All right. So we've got the funnel already here with the banners on it, guys. So post this. This is going to help you get leads. And this is a great service to market. All right. So become a GotBackup Pro member. Okay. So you can get this, one of the tools in here, and you can resell it. All right. So I'm going to put the link in the description for the GotBackup Pro, but I'm also going to go ahead and put the link separately for this if you want to just test this thing out. But it's a no-brainer. A total no-brainer, but a great value to have. So check this thing out. Make sure you go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Also peruse around, see what we got going on. But before you get out of here, make sure you like the video, please, and thank you. And you smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you in the next video. Have a blessed day.